Hey everyone, want to identify a font using Google Fonts? In this video, I'll show you how to find and match fonts step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Fonts website. Browse through the font library to compare different font styles. Next, look at the font you want to identify and compare its features, such as letter shapes, spacing, thickness, and overall style. Now use the Google Fonts search and filter options to narrow down your choices. You can filter by categories like serif, sans serif, display, handwriting, and more. If you have an image of the font, you can use a font identification tool first to find possible matches, then compare those results with Google Fonts. Next, preview the suggested fonts using your own text to see which one looks the closest. Pay attention to details like lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters because these can help you find the most accurate match. Finally, select the closest Google font and add it to your project for websites, documents, or designs. And that's how to identify a font using Google Fonts. With careful comparison and the right tools, you can quickly find similar fonts for your creative projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.